Needs a bath. Let's go, dude. They got it hooked up already for me. Okay, so let's go 6 hours of driving. What's up, homies? Long time no see. You obviously know from the title of the video what's going on. En route to the Tappan Zee Bridge. I refuse to call it the Cuomo Bridge. The guy's a creep, and it will always be the Tappan Zee. You locals will know. Damn, this is how you know I haven't done this in a while, because my arm is tired and it hasn't even been, it's been like 2 minutes of me talking. I've always said I completely refuse to overpay for a 240, and recently I just kind of caught a bug and I was just like, damn dude, I want like an old junky Japanese car with flip-up lights, and that was either going to be an FC, a Mark III Supra, or a 240. I didn't think I was going to find a 240. I like the FC just as much as a 240, but it's hard to find them as well, and those are also taxed out the wazoo. But I found an S13. My bike is gone, so you can basically I had a 240 just sitting in my garage like all winter, and I didn't even know it. A two-wheeled 240. Let's go. I'm hyped. Hyped to see this thing in person. Okay, so 3.5 hours later, I'm here. This is buying the car. I don't know if you want to give me a quick rundown of what exactly is on it, because literally all I saw was the ad on Facebook.
Yeah, so my name is Sayla. So what's on it? Got some tin S-Tech coilovers, 300ZX brakes all around with the e-brake setup. Needs some adjustment though. I just threw it on there just so I could stop it.
Yeah.
Stock single cam, pretty beat up, but it's 45K original. On a dash, on the title, everything is 45,000 miles on it.
That's exactly why I was like, shit. Yeah, I saw this last night when I messaged you, and I was like, all right, yo, like, it's sold. Don't worry. Like, I'm coming through. Like,
yeah. Let me just pop the hood just so you can see. Like,
yeah. Let me see that. Let me see that.
Oh yeah.
Basically, Prius engine. Oh yeah, I got all the keys.
It's unlocked. It's unlocked.
Oh. All right. Dude. Let's see this soon to be turboed at some point and probably blown up. And that. I wish I had the rest for the SR, dude.
Yeah.
Yo, if anyone that's watching this, like in 2 days, wants an SR,
Yeah,
I'll put his IG right here.
2500. Block is done. Head is done. Comes with Mega Squirt 2 ECU, stock wiring harness, pretty much anything that you need for the engine.
That's the cheapest I've ever, like, all right, so Donovan paid, are you Cambodian?
Yeah.
Yeah, my buddy Donovan's Cambodian. I was about to say, not trying to be racist, but I could tell. But my boy Don went to, I'm telling you guys, you know Don. Don went to JDM Depot and paid $4,500 for one that was stock with a stock ECU. He's got like a $700, $800 ECU that's a standalone that's better than like getting a Nismotronic, so definitely hit him up if you want one in New Jersey.
Yeah. I mean, you want to open up the oil pan and take a look at the inside, I'll open it up. So yeah, it's just, I upgraded the terminals because it was all fucked up.
Got you. Hey, dude, look at that.
Yeah. Check all the rust spots. The only spot that's rusted is under the battery.
Under the battery tray. That's common.
Because of the fucking washer fluid.
Yeah. Or when the batteries get old, they leak a little bit of fluid. But I see that these are still intact and not messed with.
Yeah.
These actually work. Go up and down.
Yeah.
Does this thing have AC? I see a condenser.
Yeah. AC and heat works.
What?
Yeah.
Yo, I'm keeping this thing stock, dude. I'm gonna just clean the engine bay up. Yeah, right, dude.
Hard to find 2.4s like that, right?
Yeah.
Everything works.
Alright, let's check out the interior, dude. So we got full interior. We got no cracks on the dash. Missing that little piece over there, but I'll probably
back here. Back here.
Oh. Oh, cool. All right. Well, even if you don't have it, I'll steal it from Jimmy. Jimmy, if you're watching this, I'm coming to. Yeah.
Oh shit! I watch him all the time. What's up, Jimmy?
All right, Jimmy. I'm coming to steal some shit.
Yeah, it's
It looks good in there. They're like the seats look good. It doesn't smell like shit.
Yeah.
Like
when I got it, I had to gut it basically take off the carpet, everything, and
Yeah.
clean it. There was literally.
I was gonna say
millions of
it
ants.
looks like you clean the carpet.
Yeah,
'cause there's no
millions of
stains.
ants were in there. Like, even in the engine bay, there was millions of ants.
Where'd you find this, dude? In a farm? Was it just getting washed with manure water?
You would think it's a farm, but it was actually South Philly, in
okay.
a little lot, and it was just sitting there for 8 years.
So the original plan was just SR swap it, rock it.
Yeah.
Got you.
I really wanted to restore it to the Type X.
You know what's funny? I have all the Type X shit in my eBay cart right now. So you know you'll see. I'll fucking follow me on IG or whatever,
Yeah.
or you'll see this video in like a month probably when it's done being painted and all that. But
Yeah. So the exhaust is like fucked up, like it's rust. There's
oh
some
nah,
exhaust,
dude, it's
so,
getting
yeah,
an
obviously.
ISR.
Yeah.
I'll do blast pipes because these sound the same as like the dual cams because the headers are like a little UEL.
Okay.
So it almost sounds like a Subaru, and I have a Subaru, so I need another thing that sounds like a Subaru. Also, I like this.
Yeah, that was the first thing I did to it.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah.
The Type X tails are tough, but I mean, body-wise, it looks really good. Check this out. It's an S13, and that exists.
Yeah, exactly. I had a one before that, and that did not exist.
Oh yeah, well, but it's okay because those big-ass fiberglass bumpers.
Yeah.
Fiberglass fixes all, but for me, I'm gonna be, I'm gonna have metal fenders and metal quarters. Fuck that fiberglass shit over there. I will finish the Type X conversion though. I don't know what wing I'll get. Probably a 326 because I'm a butthurt. I don't care if it's been done 100 times.
That was my plan too, 326.
Yeah, it's a bigger Type X wing. That's all it is. I don't like the Type X wing because it only comes up to like here.
Yeah.
But some sanding. That's gonna be black. Oh, I just realized there's no sunroof, and I'm so happy about that.
Yeah, a lot of people that actually don't like the sunroof.
Yeah, because they always leak.
Yeah.
No cracked windshield.
There was. I replaced it.
You replaced it.
Yeah.
My guy.
Oh yeah. You catch that on camera. You gotta put that out.
I'm not used to this light ass clutch. WRXs come stock with like a super heavy clutch.
Yeah.
I think my clutch is stock, and it's like, it's actually super annoying because my girl's clutch, you got a 2.5 RS, feels like this. And every time I switch, I'll be like riding the clutch out of like out of shifts and shit because it's so much different.
Yeah.
So this idle thing is the e-brake.
Really?
Or not the e-brake. You were saying vacuum leak. I meant to say.
Yeah, my fucking
far. That was very far off. But hey, dude, no oil light.
Yeah. Yeah. The only thing is the fuel gauge doesn't work, but I think it might be a sensor or something in the fuel tank or something.
Okay, yeah, nah, I got a Power Pro. It's no big deal.
Yeah.
45K. Alright, well, it is all loaded up. Let's freaking go home, guys. Gotta take a pee-pee. But we'll go home. And Don's coming through later. I'm curious what his reaction will be to this thing. So let's go friggin' back to Connecticut. 3.5 hour drive. Let's freaking go. You can't see it, but that's Don. Don is here. He's gonna check it out.
You all back already and everything?
Yeah, dude. The end of this video, you can't see you, but the end of this video, just like I'm just filming like what you think of the car. I want to hear your 240 owner words. Yeah, I want to get a fucking light out.
Damn.
Tint's gonna be a bitch to take off.
Oh, Type X tails look so good.
They're crispy as fuck, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, I got a fucking clay bomb, but delete that antenna.
Damn, dude. I haven't seen rockers this clean in so long.
Yeah, look back here. Look behind the wheel. That's the important part.
Oh, bro, that part is always gone, dude, on S13 hatches. Oh my god.
It's almost like I don't need a side strip
That's
to cover up
crazy,
rust.
dude. I can't believe how clean this is.
Of course, it doesn't have the lip, but whatever. I could have sold that lip and paid for the whole kit if it had the lip.
Whoa. Look at that interior.
Yeah.
Craft-free dash?
Yeah,
what?
dude, yeah. Fucking open the door. You look in there. I think those little things here, the little vent pieces are in the back. But
those break so easily.
Full fucking interior. Everything works.
Wow. That shift knob is dope.
Yeah, it's gonna match the car. The dude took the whole carpet out.
Wild.
The dude took the whole carpet out. He was Cambodian as well.
No, bro. Are you serious?
Yeah. And then when I was at Wawa, another Cambodian dude in a TL pulled up and he was like asking me about the car. But actually, you know what, dude? I haven't even opened the hatch yet because I have a separate key for the hatch, of course.
I noticed on your story.
Yo, hey. Fuck a sunroof.
Yeah, no, for real.
I was hyped when I saw that. I didn't even realize.
Oh, that's just pain in the ass on old cars.
He said gray key opens the hatch.
That's like my car.
He handed me multiple keys and I just said, of course. Where the fuck is
I saw in your story, I was like, oh, this tin is gonna suck to get off. But
I mean, Callie's was just like that and I got hers off.
oh, well, you know what? At least it's a hat.
Holy hell, dude, it stays up. Yo, shine your light back here.
Oh, I'm coming.
Did you notice it's 5-lug?
Yeah, I saw that last night.
It's got brand new teen coilovers.
What? You got extra 5-lug too?
Extra 5-lug. I don't know what that is. Oh, he said that he was doing the e-brake works. He actually fucking did all that. I'm gonna get something for in here.
Dude, oh my god.
Look at that, dude.
What a pickup, bro. Dude, all day, bro, I was texting Amber. I'm like, I can't believe Damian's gonna have 240. Like, what the hell is the world coming to?
You check out the fucking engine bay, dude. Dude, those struts are mint. This thing like flew up. See all like center console, everything is there, dude.
It's nice. You're just missing it.
He pulled the whole carpet up because there was ants all over the car when he got it, so he had to vacuum and like wash everything. But here's the fucking. Where in the fuck is the thing? Hello? Oh.
Wow. Yo, those are literally brand new coilovers.
I know. I know they're brand new coilovers. And they got dampening too. And camber adjustment. Looks like I need a. I didn't.
Washing this thing is brand new.
I didn't notice. Oh yeah, dude, I'll hit up Jimmy for that. Fucking. I noticed I don't have a cover
Roger
for this.
has plenty of those.
Yeah, I'm sure Roger has all like the small bits of.
Have you have you started or anything?
Yeah, I drove it in here.
How's the pop-ups?
They work. Yeah, everything
They work
works.
perfectly fine.
Look, here, hold the camera. I mean, dude, this thing has AC, working AC.
What? Fucking jealous, yo.
I think it's out of gas, but it should still start.
Damn, yo, we came such a long way.
45K miles, matching title.
Yeah, dude.
Fucking. Look at the radiator support, dude. This thing was never crashed in the front, at least. I don't think it was crashed anywhere else. You can see down there, look, all the stock clips are still.
Wait, he said it was crashed though?
No, it wasn't crashed.
Oh.
I'm saying, like, the thing is that mint. Like, if you look down there, all the fucking stock clips are, like, still in there and shit.
Yeah. That's crazy. Dude, good pickup.
So you approve?
I approve, dude. I'm happy as hell for you, dude.
All right, sweet. Because I'm gonna make this look.
summer.
And you check this out over here.
Yeah, this.
No fuck shit going on. Brand new coils.
Damn.
I don't know. I don't really know what else to say about this thing, but this is gonna be the second walk around in this one video. But yeah, Don had to come through and check it out because originally, he'll tell you, originally before I got my Z, when we were both trying to trade our cars, I wanted an S14 or a hatch. I wasn't looking for a 350Z. It just kind of fell into my lap, and somehow this dude got a fucking Starfire Blue Kooky that fell into his lap.
Did you see my post today?
Briefly, but like I didn't.
I wrote how I was gonna trade my bike for that Z, but you got to him first, so
Yeah.
you got the Z, and then I ended up getting an S14.
Yeah.
Like,
So this is my first S chassis. After what, 5, 6 years? 6 years ago, I wanted one. Almost got one that was like a friggin' teal Zenki that was like SR. But the guy's mom didn't let him trade. Had two people that their moms didn't let me trade for the street bike. Anyways, that's the end of this video. This small section will be added into the video where I do like the long format, short format video where it's like, you know, beginning to end, because I'm not trying to upload a series on this. I'll just do one video. So
excited about this.
did you say Travis is gonna be tight about that? What'd you take a picture of?
The rear, like where it always rusts out right in the back.
Is Travis's
behind
rusted?
him. Yeah, he's trying to find quarters right now.
Oh no. Anyways, yeah. If you want to see that video or you want to be the first to see the video, whatever. Obviously, I haven't posted in, you know, a long time, so, you know, notifications on, subscribe, you know, the mumbo jumbo YouTubers say. And, yeah, I'll see you guys in, like, I don't know, a month, maybe 2. This thing will be done before May, but, yeah, I'll see you guys. Peace out.